My JROTC project is on the Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. The Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird is a long-range, high-altitude plane. It travels at Mach 3 and is a strategic reconnaissance aircraft developed and manufactured by American aerospace company Lockheed Corporation. It was both operated by both the United States Air Force and NASA. The SR-71 was developed as a black project from the Lockheed AN-12 reconnaissance aircraft during the 1980s by Lockheed's Skunk Works division. American aerospace engineer Clarence Kelly Johnson was responsible for many of the aircraft's inactive concepts. The shape of the SR-71 was cross-sectioned. At one point, a bomber variant of the aircraft was under construction. Before the program was focused solely on reconnaissance, mission equipment from the reconnaissance role included signal intelligence sensors, a side-looking airborne radar, and a photo camera. The SR-71 was both longer and has been attributed to lobbying efforts by USAF Chief of Staff General Curtis LeMay, who preferred the SR designation over simply RS. The aircraft was introduced to operational service in July 1966. Overall, the Lockheed SR-71 is one of the fastest planes I have heard of and might have changed the world when it was introduced.